So not all of my cookie doughs are going to be from scratch. I have about 3 cookies that I'm going to put in my holiday treat boxes that are semi-homemade. So this is lukewarm water, 2 tablespoons, and 1 egg. Be sure to not get any eggshells into your mixing bowl. Guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. So I'm going to mix this on low because the instructions say to mix until a ball forms, and I believe I'm supposed to be hand mixing. So since I'm using my mixer, I mixed it on the very low speed. And this is what it looks like. So once my dough has actually, when I'm done with my dough, I'm going to go ahead and place it in some saran wrap before I put it in the refrigerator so it's nice and tight and air-free. These doughs will be ready for me to bake, and I won't have to prepare everything on the same day. These doughs keep well in the refrigerator as long as they are airtight. Now, if you're following along, you will have your icing ready for your cupcakes, and you will have 2 refrigerated peanut butter cookie dough. We have 9 days left till Christmas. Guys, thank you for watching. If you watched this far, you must like the ASMR videos. Okay, so that's done. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up nice and tight. I've already done my other batch of cookie dough. Then I'm going to put these in a Ziploc baggie. Stay with me, and my next cookie dough mix is going to be a white chocolate chip cookie dough mix. So that's what it looks like. Guys, like, share, and subscribe before you leave.